Hello students, in this video you will find about ignition temperature and burning of material. What is ignition temperature? The temperature to which a substance must be heated before its combustion take place, or the temperature at which a substance catches fire is called its ignition temperature. Let us see one experiment. A paper is having low ignition temperature, it catches fire easily, but I am keeping here some water in it. Some water I have kept in this paper cup, and like this, see, I am keeping some water in this paper cup. This is a paper cup only. Now it is very clear, and this paper cup is containing water. Little more amount of water I am keeping in this. Now this paper cup, I am keeping this cup over here and then keeping this paper cup above the flame. Now this paper cup does not burn if it contains water. What is the reason behind it? Water take away heat from this paper cup and does not allow it to reach its ignition temperature. This is why paper cup does not burn. Third point, each and every substance has its ignition temperature. Whenever the substance gets its ignition temperature, then only it catches fire. One example I am going to show you. Like this is a metal ribbon. Metal ribbon, magnesium metal, it does not burn. But whenever this magnesium ribbon is heated to its ignition temperature, then this ribbon will also catch fire. I am heating this magnesium ribbon to reach its ignition temperature. When it is getting its ignition temperature, it will catch fire. Now see, when metal wire, metal ribbon getting ignition temperature, it catches fire, it begins to burn. The temperature of magnesium ribbon at which it catches fire is its ignition temperature. And here it burns in here, combined with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Mg plus O2 form MgO. If you want, you can see again, heat again, and again it will catch fire. See, whenever you are heating it to its ignition temperature, then it will catch fire. And begins to burn. Now see, this magnesium oxide Mg plus O2 forms MgO. Magnesium oxide is basic oxide. It is formed after burning magnesium in air. Now see, magnesium on heating gets its ignition temperature, catches fire. Now this is about ignition temperature. If paper is not containing water, any paper you can see, if not containing water, it will catch fire. Like this paper, whenever it is brought above the flame, see, immediately catches fire, begins to burn. It gets its ignition temperature and it catches fire. But here, in this case, paper cup is not burning. Reason I told you, because water take away heat from paper cup, does not allow to reach ignition temperature, and it does not catch fire. But water becomes very hot. Now see, this net also became very hot. Paper cup, this water inside it, it is going to boil. It is very hot, but paper cup is not burning. Now, another thing I am going to tell you, it means you can boil water in a paper cup. You can make tea in a paper cup. You can boil milk in a paper cup, and paper cup does not burn. Now that reason you have understood, and you can now write in your copy and you can explain. See, water is very hot. Now gas bubbles are also coming out. It is too hot. But paper cup is not burning, see. Now see, bubbles are rising up. Now water started boiling because it is very hot, about 100 degrees. This is why water started boiling. See, like that you can boil, you can heat water. Thank you.